Peace out, home dog. Ew, Frank, that was a big zit. And had that pus in it. Bible school is boring. Stop. Get off of me. Thank you. Ha ha. I like fried chicken. Do you like fried chicken, Fred? How about you, Frank? Do you like fried chicken?
Sure.
Do you like gummy bears?
Sure.
Shake your head. I'm Fred. Oh my god! Oh my god! Your turn. Go, Frank. Go. Go. Do it.
Do what?
Just do what I did.
Do what?
All I did was shake. Just do it.
Right on April Fool's Day.
Just do it.
What?
What I just told you.
Ah.
Then do it. God. Or stop.
What do I do?
I just told you. Okay. Get out of my camera.
Ah, okay.
Hi.
Okay, I'll do it.
Not screaming, but okay. Bye. Peace out, home dog. Chicken fingers.
Bye.
Chicken
Crispy.
fingers.